Just a very quick video here to show off something really cool. This new IMU detection in GoPro Labs firmware means that you can set it so that it records only when it's moving. And if you set the sensitivity, I've got it set on start sensitivity of 2, stop sensitivity of 9, which means basically once it starts moving, if you were to take off, you would move at least that much. And then basically it will keep running, so it's automatically started recording. Now I'm holding it kind of as still as I can. So let's say you're flying a Cinewhoop around and you're going super smooth, right? That's all I'm moving now, and with that sensitivity of 9 on the stop, it detects even the tiniest little tremors. Now if I sit it down on the table, watch, it stops recording. That is stunning. Now if I take off again, and you got to give it a little bit of a move, because basically what that allows me to do is I could pick the thing up and walk around with it, but then when I take off, as long as I give a little bit of a move, it'll come on. You could set it to be more sensitive than that. You can set it to a 9 sensitivity, and then any movement at all will start it recording. So this is a pretty amazing feature, probably my favorite new feature of GoPro Labs update. Boom. Awesome.